People who fail to respect time eventually pay a heavy price. It doesn't matter how talented or intelligent they are. Many people say, "I'll do it later, there's still time." But as they keep delaying, becoming lazy, they slowly lose the best opportunities life has to offer. Today's story is especially for people like that. Those who have skills and talent but don't realize how precious time really is. In a big city, there lived a boy named Ryan with his family. Ryan was a bright student, always at the top of his class. His teachers admired his intelligence and praised him often. But Ryan had one serious problem. He wasted a lot of time. Instead of focusing on his studies, he spent hours watching YouTube videos, playing mobile games, and hanging out with friends. His parents warned him again and again, "Ryan, time is very precious. If you waste it now, you'll regret it later." But Ryan would just laugh and reply, "Oh, I have plenty of time. I'll study later." Then came the day of the final exam results. Ryan, who was once the brightest student in class, shocked everyone. He had performed terribly. His teachers were disappointed, and even his friends started avoiding him. When Ryan reached home, his parents silently looked at his report card. Their faces were filled with disappointment. Ryan felt something break inside him. He thought, "I used to do so well. What happened to me?" That night, Ryan went to his grandfather for guidance. His grandfather, a retired professor respected by everyone, listened carefully as Ryan said, "Grandpa, I don't understand why I failed." His grandfather smiled gently and replied, "Son, your problem isn't intelligence. The real issue is that you never valued your time." Ryan asked, "But Grandpa, can't I just study later too?" His grandfather shook his head and said, "No, son. Time is like the water in a river. Once it flows away, it never returns. Let me tell you a story." His grandfather began. There was once a man named Adam Reed. He was the CEO of a large international company. In the beginning, Adam was hardworking and dedicated. Because of that, he built a powerful business empire. But after becoming wealthy, Adam lost respect for time. He started waking up late, delaying important tasks, and instead of focusing on his company, he wasted hours scrolling through social media. One day, one of his advisors warned him, "Adam, you're wasting your most valuable asset, time. If you don't change now, your company will be in danger." But Adam laughed and replied, "Oh, I have plenty of time. I'll work later." A few months passed, and the company's profits began to fall. Competitors moved ahead, employees lost faith, and investors started withdrawing their money. Adam tried hard to fix everything, but by then, it was too late. He lost it all. One day, sitting alone in his empty office, Adam finally realized his greatest mistake. He wasted time and missed his chance to make things right. Hearing this story lit a fire in Ryan's heart. He thought, "I don't want to end up like Adam. I have to change right now." His grandfather smiled and said, "That's the right decision, son. If you use your time wisely, nothing can stop you." From that day, Ryan turned his life around. He made a study routine, cut down his time on YouTube and mobile games, and began studying with focus and discipline. Little by little, his grades improved. Soon, Ryan was back on top of his class. Years later, Ryan became a successful entrepreneur. His disciplined lifestyle and success story inspired many people. And through it all, he carried one sentence deep in his heart: time is the key to success. If you feel this story can inspire others too, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future stories.